If you're a computer user of, shall we say, a certain age, you remember a time when a room-filling cacophony of clicking was synonymous with typing as words appeared, on a sheet of paper. Typewriters were, in a sense, the original mechanical keyboard, and generations of 20th century office workers and aspiring novelists honed their typing chops on them. But as the hardy, ribbon-based machines gave way to computers, a different kind of mechanical keyboard came to the fore, the battlewagon keyboards of the early days of computing. And they were beasts. They used keys that clicked and rattled, and many of them felt like they would last forever. Indeed, some of them are still in service. We'll break down which mechanical keyboard is best for you and what you can expect to get in return for your money. We'll help you decide if one of the models on our list seems like a great purchase. If you want more information, most updated pricing and the products we mentioned, be sure to check in the link on description. Please subscribe our channel and notify the bell icon. Okay, let's start.